In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Apple ID without knowing the password. First, let's begin on your iPhone or iPad. Open the Settings app. You can find the Settings icon on your home screen. It looks like a gear. This step is crucial because it's the gateway to accessing your Apple ID settings. Once the Settings menu is open, you will see various options. This is where you can manage almost all aspects of your device. So take a moment to locate and tap the Settings icon to proceed. Next, tap your name at the top of the Settings menu. This name represents your Apple ID account. Tapping on it will take you to your account details. You will see various options related to your Apple account, including iCloud, media and purchases, and more. This step is important because it ensures you are making changes to the correct account. After tapping your name, you are one step closer to resetting your password. From there, tap on Sign In and Security. This section provides options related to your account security settings. Here you will find the option to change your password. It's essential to keep your account secure, and changing your password regularly is a good practice. After selecting Sign In and Security, look for the Change Password option and tap on it. This action sets up the next phase of your password reset journey. Now enter your device passcode when prompted. This is the same passcode you use to unlock your device. It's a critical step because it verifies your identity before allowing you to change your password. Once you enter the correct passcode, follow the on-screen instructions to create a new password. Ensure that your new password is strong and secure, containing a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Completing this step means you are almost done resetting your password. If you do not have access to a trusted Apple device, there is an alternative method. Visit Apple's recovery website, which is iforgot.apple.com. This option is perfect for those who can't use their devices. On this website, you will enter the email address or phone number linked to your Apple account. It's vital to enter the correct information to receive the recovery instructions. This method allows you to reset your password even without your device. So take a moment to go to the recovery website. After entering your email address or phone number, follow the verification steps provided on the website. You may need to answer security questions or enter a verification code sent to your email or phone. This verification process is designed to protect your account from unauthorized access. It's an important step that ensures only you can reset your password. Completing these verification steps will guide you towards setting a new password. If you cannot access your trusted devices or phone number, you may need to start account recovery. This is a more extensive process that Apple has designed for security reasons. It can take several days or even longer, so patience is required. Apple support cannot speed up this process, so it's crucial to prepare for a wait. However, rest assured that your account security is a top priority during this time. This step is necessary if you find yourself locked out of your account. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your Apple ID password without knowing the current password. Remember, keeping your account secure is essential, and regularly updating your password helps with that. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you.